saying if you just wait here long enough, some strange things will like begin to happen, and you'll get out of here so that's you. I'm just gonna wait here for 20 seconds maybe. Not less but 1 minute. Oh, what is this? Yo. Oh. So they're saying there's, apparently this is just one of them. There should be a second one too.
Did you just say that?
Yeah. That's what I said, bitch.
Huh? Beep. Oh, you. Always with that attitude.
What's this flash thing? I'm getting flash thing. Help me. Okay, so there's a second. Oh my god, get this all with me. Why is his hand so... Oh wait, there's another one. So you just have to wait again. And then there should be one. Give the moment. Few more seconds. Wait a bit more. Oh, did you hear that glitch? I think it's about to start. I don't know. Learn. Ooh, this is the...
Boyfriend. Everywhere. Boyfriend. Everywhere. Boyfriend. Everywhere.
Yeah, what is this with that?
Boyfriend is my friend. I put him
Oh, did I just see a manga book?
places. Look at him, isn't he cute? Boyfriend, I love you. Look at him here. Look at him there. Look at him here. Look at him there. To order your Friday Night Funkin' boyfriend figure, log on to BeetlejuiceRecords.com and order your boyfriend Friday Night figure Funkin'. Sometimes at night I see demons and I pee the bed. Just kidding. This advertisement was paid for by the Funkin' Crew LLC. Ding dong, walla walla boo boo, hee hee ha hee ha. Boyfriend is my friend. Boyfriend everywhere. Boyfriend everywhere.
There's one
On a Friday night yet.
Yo. Bro, you need to fix your hair. And then this one more hack. So if we left, right, up, down. I want to see if there's any mode, if there's any ads on this mode. I'm just gonna buy Peach the music. Let's wait. What just happened? Let me. Oh my god, bro. Hey. Bro. Left, right, up, down. There we go. Let me wait here for a minute. I'm gonna wait here for a minute and see. Okay, let's just write some music. Okay, the song's actually buzzing. Let me see. Okay, left, right, up, down. And that's how you do it. Let me see. Oh no, I'm not revealing. Hell no. Ooh, that almost revealed something like that.